Okay, let's see if we can pull it back some more now. I think that may be good enough.
I was able to get my